Hi, we all have one problem in common, that we often think very much about choosing the text for the thumbnail, and it wastes a lot of time. And after creating thumbnails, we are not satisfied with the text, that sometimes it isn't bold enough, or there is a spacing in between, or so many matters. But not anymore. I have created a web app for it. So this was my previous web app, which you can modify your text for thumbnail, but it was not very customizable and it was not very dynamic, so that I can add new kind of fonts in it. So I have upgraded this website and made this one. Now on this website you can add all these parameters or attributes to your text, and you can customize it in so many ways. You can change the font, of course. So if you have a greater font, then the font quality will be greater and you can make it bigger on your thumbnail. And there is outline thickness and you can choose the outline color, and there is a gradient option which will set the gradient for you. If you want just one color, then you can select one color for the both of the gradients, the end and the start. And you can also choose the direction of the gradient from left to right or top to bottom, and you just click preview. If you like your text, then you just click on download button. And if you want it specifically for thumbnails, then I recommend you choosing this font style. I have analyzed so many thumbnails and top of the creators are using this font style. So yes, this is dynamic. You can use it however you want. It is free for now, so don't worry, use it how much you want. And if you want any other font styles in it or any other features for the text for your thumbnail, so that your process will be quicker, just tell me the suggestions and I will add the feature to this web app. So thank you so much for watching the video. Go and check out the tool, and if you like the tool, tell me in comments. If you don't like the tool, do tell me in comments, and bye.